Hi, I'm Matt Pereiro. I'm the inventor of Grillie. This is Grillie. It's a new way of cooking on the grill. What you do is you're going to fill your basket here with food and put the lid on, and you're going to be able to cook things like you've never cooked before on the grill. Here's an example. We've got shrimp and scallops here, but we're going to mix shrimp, scallops, and mango. We've got string beans, which are impossible to grill on the grill. We have asparagus that we're going to put in the grill, but not only do we put the vegetables in there, but we also mix in garlic or onions or fruit like mango, apple, pear. I do butternut squash in the Grillie. The Grillie can be used for just about anything imaginable on the grill. The great thing about the Grillie is you just fill it and Grillie it, and you barbecue with imagination. Grilled asparagus. I'm telling you, when you taste it, you won't believe it. It is fantastic. Grillie barbecue with imagination.